This is the brief on AI trading bot exit strategies. So, a recent one-week test of 4 AI bots ended in a 3,333 yen net loss, revealing a pretty hard truth. An AI's high win rate is totally useless without the strict discipline to cut losses. Honestly, obsessing over entry points while ignoring the exit strategy is exactly like trying to fill a bucket that has a massive hole in the bottom. These logs completely flip our assumptions about profitable bots. So what does this data actually tell us about fixing them? Well, first, high win rates can be a complete trap. GateGrid AI hit an impressive 74% win rate, but still sank into the red. Why? Because a few massive 1,100 yen losses instantly wiped out tons of small gains. Developers had to step in and add a forced withdrawal function to automatically cut trades when a setup collapses. Second, you've got to mechanically cap your downside risk. Take the ML Score bot. It hit a 50% win rate but suffered brutal 600 yen losses against tiny 140 yen wins. The simple fix? Locking in a strict 30 pip take profit and a 25 pip stop loss, forcing the bot to keep its risk tightly in a box. Finally, the true power of AI is actually in the exit. Even with a lower 57% win rate, LLM Bridge Trader was the standout success with an incredible 2.43 profit-to-loss ratio. By actively using AI to decide exactly when to close, hold, or reverse a position, it proved this tech is incredibly valuable for quickly cutting wrong positions. Ultimately, surviving the automated trading game isn't about hunting for flashy wins, it's about ruthlessly managing your losses.